Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the iPhone 13 Pro Max Graphite in 2022. I have here the box of the phone. I like that it's color black and showcasing the back side of the phone. Same as usual, the box is simple with no plastic cover. I got here the iPhone 13 Pro Max Graphite color with 128GB of storage. The box is very easy to open. You just have to follow the arrow and detach it. The phone looks really good and feels really premium in the hand. On the left side, we have the SIM tray, volume rocker, and the ring and mute switch. And on the right side, we have the power button. Nothing else is present in the box aside from the USB to Type-C cable and some paperwork and of course an Apple sticker. I did purchase a power brick separately because it is not included in the box. Let's set all things on the side and open the phone. In setting up this phone, I choose to set it as a new phone, so it will not take that long to load. I just keyed in my iCloud account since it's asking me to. If you have seen my unboxing video of the iPhone 13, both phones share the same default background that looks really nice. As I open the phone, I notice right away how responsive the phone is because this phone features 120Hz ProMotion display. When the phone is laid flat, the phone wobbles due to its camera bump. I also bought a SpyGen phone case. I hope to have this phone case because I have seen a lot of good reviews about it. I chose the black color because I think it will really look good with the phone.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Right away, the phone case has been tested. With the case, I noticed that it does not wobble that much. As I expected, the phone case looks really good with the phone. One good feature of any iPhone is its camera features. This phone does produce very good quality photos and you can use the zoom up to 15 times. You can shoot HDR and 4K videos with up to 60 frames per second as well. It supports portrait, panorama, the new cinematic video, slow-mo, and time-lapse. This iPhone is best paired with an Apple AirPods. I got here the first generation AirPods Pro, which I bought for a very discounted price. The box contains some paperwork, an additional ear tips of different sizes, and a USB to Type-C cable. The AirPods is protected by plastic and can easily be detected by the phone as I opened it. It's easy to pair it as well. Just have to press the back button of the AirPods with the right amount of pressure. I bought a Spygen cover of the AirPods Pro to protect it from dents, and it fits really well as well. Bringing the phone side to side with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can immediately tell that the 14 is darker in color. Both phones really has exactly the same dimensions. Notice that the camera bump of the iPhone 14 Pro Max is significantly larger than the 13 Pro Max. The placement of the side buttons are pretty similar too, aside from the SIM tray and the power button, which means iPhone 13 Pro Max phone cases will not work with a 14. That's a quick comparison of the phone. I might make a video of an in-depth comparison of the phone in my channel as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.